Good day, Sir Jade. Today I will representing my clock system. My clock system, it is a program that designed to help user manage their time efficiently. This system does not only display the real-time clock, but also includes an alarm feature with a proper input validation. In a real-time tracking, unlike basic programs, this system focuses on accuracy, usability, and reliability. The main purpose of this clock system is to make time management easier for user, and it reduces the need for manual time checking by automatically displaying the current time, and it also allows user to set alarm correctly, ensuring accurate validation to prevent errors. These features help user to stay organized and punctual. Let me now demonstrate how the system works in real life. Basta mano siyang vid. First, time first. The program display the current time. Next, I will set alarm and show how the system validates the time and the alarm. Input. Finally, when the set time is reached, the alarm triggers as unexpected, proving that the system functions properly and handles error effectively. This program demonstrates the important programming concepts such as looping, conditional statement, input validation, and real-time tracking overall. It shows how programming can be used to create practical and useful tools. And my conclusion for my system is demonstrate both technical skills and a real-world application by providing an reliable time management and solution. That's all.